This is a container for like orange chicken, and when you buy like a orange chicken thing, this first time I have this. They have like a sauce right here, and then we have the orange chicken over here, but I did not throw away because I like the plastic. So I wonder if I can use some. I'm gonna make into like a necklace or something like that. I'm gonna make a necklace. So I'm not sure if um what I can do with this one. So so I don't know yet. This project. See you later. See what's gonna be.